Hey guys, I am taking a walk today. It's Saturday and it's beautiful outside. Found this park and it's really pretty. It's got a lake and a man-made beach and trails and stuff. So I'm gonna go for a little walk. Kind of see down there like a little lake and stuff. And there's like more water down here. Ooh, it's like a steep hill. Do I want to go that way? Actually, I want to go across that bridge, so I'm going to go this way. See what's down there. Here I am on the bridge. And it's a pretty little brook of some kind. And then over here you can go fishing. Look at this view. How pretty is that? There's like a beach way over there. I'm gonna go see if I can get over there. It's a good test to see the stabilization of this camera too while I'm walking. There's some grills you can grill, I guess. Everyone's running on a picnic table. So hopefully it's not too shaky while I'm walking. A lot of woods over there. It's so pretty outside. So I'm almost at the other end. Here's another bridge. Look how pretty. And the other side goes into the lake there. And the beach is right there. Imagine that gets pretty crowded in the summer. Here we are at the beach. Not an ocean type beach, but it's a lake type beach. It's kind of windy, so I'm not sure if you can hear me. What are those things out there? Oh, those are ducks. What's way out there? What is that? Let's see if I can zoom in. They're like on a rock or something. Some kind of bird. It's hard to zoom in. Anyway, it's really pretty. More ducks. One's with head underwater, eating something. It's really pretty though. Here's all the different kinds of fish you can catch in the lake. Definitely want to come back here and try some fishing. Okay, now on the other side of the beach. More people fishing. So as you can see, I'm stuck in traffic today. It's Tuesday, it's raining, it's gross, and yeah, there's this. This is what I deal with every single morning. And I leave 3 hours early to get to work. So I don't have to sit in traffic, but on days like this, it's really really doesn't matter, apparently. Yesterday I tried leaving at 8 to say, oh, well, maybe I'll miss all the traffic. No, it took me over an hour to get to work. So there's that. Hope everyone's having a good morning, and don't let this weather get you down. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here. Happy rainy Friday, everybody. So yeah, this is my commute this morning. It is pouring out. It's been pouring like every day this week. I'm so glad that it's Friday and I can not do this for 2 days. So I just wanted to show you the weather. It's disgusting out. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. I'll talk to you soon. So there's this cute little duck just chilling out in the grass across the street. But I wanted to show you what great this camera is and the zooming. Watch this. Isn't that crazy? I'll try and get him back. There he is. I just wanted to show you that. That was really cool.